welcome back. Another quick tip. It could happen sometimes you're in the middle of the cooking and you stand in front of your machine and you find, oh my God, the arms are not releasing. How can I open the lid? It just doesn't open the arms anymore. Don't panic. There are potentially two reasons what could have happened. So let's have a look. So it could be that you are in Cookie Dough and you're trying to find a recipe and you find, oh, my arms are not opening. What could that be? So first tip for you is to check whether you are potentially in turbo mode. So this can happen when you go into the modes and you turn on the turbo function. Is for security reasons. It will lock the arms and it will not let the lid go before you get out of the mode again. To do this, you can either tap on it, this way it releases the arms, or if you are in the turbo mode and you click on that little house button up there, it'll also release the arms. Another thing that could have happened is that you went into settings and have accidentally put your Thermomix into transportation mode. If you activate the transportation mode, it is really helpful. Or if you want to take your Thermomix with you, let's say to a friend's place and you are in charge of making cocktails, who knows? Of course, you take your Thermomix with you, but please do so always by putting it into transportation mode first to protect your bowl and the machine for not coming apart. So if you come across the arms locking the bowl and they're not letting it go, check the two things, that you are potentially in turbo mode or maybe accidentally went into transportation mode. If you're getting out of it, voila, your machine will automatically release the lid and you can continue cooking. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.